Welcome to the video guys, hope you will be fine. In this video you will learn about a simple homemade remedy for your skincare. By the regular use of this remedy, your face skin will be wrinkle free and white. Guys, it is a simple remedy, even the ingredients are very simple. Guys, the video is going to be interested, so please watch up to the end for the full detail. But before that, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and choose all option so that you can get the latest upcoming videos notifications. Well guys, to make this simple remedy, you need only 3 things: honey, rose water, raw milk. Honey. Guys, honey is a well-known thing for the centuries ago. It is rich with many essential nutrients, due to which it is a favorite for the beauty experts, nutritionists and dieticians. Applying only honey on your skin gives you surprising beauty-related results. Here is a brief detail. Honey moisturizes the skin deeply and gives you glowing skin. It works as an anti-acne and anti-pimples agent. It exfoliates your skin naturally without any side effects. It helps to reduce wrinkles and give you a younger look. Rosewater. Rosewater is the water infused with the rose petals, but it is the industry of beauty. From the past, it is using in the beauty related products. We can use it daily. Here are its some skin related benefits. Rosewater maintains the pH level of the skin. It hydrates your skin and resultantly gives glow and whiteness to the skin. It calms down the skin related issues such as eczema, dermatitis, acne and other types of skin inflammations, and resultantly gives you a younger look. Rosewater makes your skin barriers function strong to protect your skin against harmful environmental aggressors. You can use rosewater as a makeup remover, pamper lips, aftershave and as a hair rinse. Raw milk. Yes guys, milk is also a skin beauty agent packed with many essential nutrients like vitamins A, D, B6, B12, biotin, protein, lactic acid, potassium, magnesium, calcium and selenium. All are necessary for your skin health. Raw milk is a face cleaner and greater moisturizer. It exfoliates your skin and gives you white, glowing skin. It works as anti-acne and anti-pimples, resultantly gives you soft, smooth and white skin. It prevents sunburn and inflammation of the skin. Well guys, now take 1 spoon of honey, 1 spoon of rose water and 1 spoon of raw milk in a bowl. Mix it well. The remedy is ready guys. Now take cotton and soak it with this remedy, then apply on your face. After an hour, you can wash your face with any beauty soap. There is no limit of age to use this remedy. Anyone can use for skin health. That is it guys. Hope you like the video. If you like, then hit like button. If you have any question, then comments below. Thanks for watching the video.